Good afternoon, my fabulous chemistry students. Mr. Milks here. First video for Unit 1. Here we go. If we turn to, I bet you're on page 8 in your packet, and it told you to watch a video. Today's video is going to be on accuracy and precision. Definition of accuracy would be how close we are to the desired value. Think about hitting a bullseye when we're playing darts, or jarts, or whatever it is that you're aiming for. But did you get what you were aiming for? That would be accuracy. Okay. Precision is how often we can repeat the results. Are we consistent? If you're going to throw 10 darts at the dartboard and hit the bullseye one time, you're not very consistent. But if you can get it 7 or 8 times, you're good, right? Consistency. You can almost think batting average, right? Every time you get a swing at the bat, you want to get a hit. Okay? So in this little pictogram here, we got 4 students. Which students are accurate? Accurate being closest to the center. We're aiming for the bullseye. I see Carmen's pretty accurate. Cynthia hit it 1 time. Let's say Carmen is the most accurate. Okay, and then it says, which students are precise? Okay, who's got a grouping that's pretty close together? Cheryl, not so much. Cynthia's getting a little bit better. Carmen's grouping is stellar. And Cassie's grouping is actually pretty good statistically. That's a nice little clump. So I would say Cassie and Carmen are both precise. But who is both precise and accurate? You got to get a good grouping around the bullseye. There's 1 student for that, and I think you guys can all tell me who that is at this point. So remember, when we deal with taking measurements in a lab, we need to be both accurate and precise. I can't really have one without the other. Too much. And you see that little picture of the graduated cylinder at the bottom of the page? Kind of gives us an idea how we're going to correctly read that. We're going to look for the bottom of the meniscus. You want to be at eye level and make sure the thing's on a flat surface so it's not tilted. And then you're looking directly at it, and then you can get a very accurate and precise measurement. So now that we've discussed both terms, if you're still having trouble, I suggest that you Google precision, you Google accuracy. You can do a keyword search, you can do a picture search, you can look on YouTube. You have the ability to do whatever you need to do to make your understanding that much stronger. And if you find something really cool, by all means, bring it to me. Until next video, see you guys.